been searching all day for a report that shows PO, material document, and invoices all together in one place. I checked all standard reports. I can't find anything. I think I should call the SAP consultant again. Good morning. Sounds like you're looking for a new report that links purchase order with material document, with invoices all in one place, right? Exactly. And don't tell me there's a standard report that does that. I've checked them all. Don't worry, you're right. The standard reports doesn't show always everything in one place. But we can easily build a new custom CDS view and a custom analytical query that does exactly what you want. Custom CDS, what's that? Just think of it as creating your own data source in SAP. You choose which tables to join them together using the key fields, and choose the fields that you want to see in the report, and voila, your report is ready to run. So you mean we can link all these data into one report? Exactly. We use 3 main data sources, join them together with key fields, and build our own report. That's it. Just like that, I get one report that shows all the data I need. Exactly. You can analyze it by vendor, material, posting date, or even export it to Excel. Finally, no more switching between 3 reports every morning. Yes, one clean report built exactly for your process.
And now let's see how to create a custom CDS view and a custom analytical query in SAP. So first of all, I want to search for the standard CDS views available in SAP. So let's go to the View Browser app. For example, let's search with supplier invoice. Okay, so that's all the CDS views available in SAP that contains the supplier invoice. So what if I want to search by a field in a CDS? Go to the alternative search, enter the supplier, column names, and search. These are all the CDS views available in SAP that contains supplier. Okay, after choosing the CDS views you are going to use, go back and go to the Custom CDS Views app, click on Create, enter a label, choose the Analytical Cube scenario, click on Create. Select your primary data source. Now add associated data sources. Now you need to enter the join conditions for each associated data source. Click on Add. Select supplier invoice in the second data source equal to a field. The supplier invoice in the first CDS. Now we can add another condition, for example the fiscal year. Equals to the fiscal year in the first CDS. 0 or 1 for the cardinality. And close. Add. I want to link the purchasing document or the purchase order from the second CDS with the purchase order in the first one. After creating the join conditions, go to Elements to add the fields you want to see in the reports. For example, purchase order item and plant, quantity, document currency. Let's go to the second CDS. select the invoicing party, the invoice gross amount. The third one, select the material document, material, quantity for example, and click on OK. After adding the fields, your CDS is ready to be published. So let's publish it. Now our CDS is ready. If you want to preview it, just click on preview. You will see all the elements you added previously in the CDS. Now we can go back and create our custom analytical query. Give it a name, PO, material, invoice, and choose the data source previously created. Give the report a label. Go to the field selection to select the fields that will be displayed in the report. Okay. Go to the display tab. Here you can maintain some parameters or properties for the fields selected. For example, the override label to be a static label that you can enter or a dynamic label. That's for the measures. For other fields, you can select the field, for example, sorted, ascending or descending. Put the field in the row or the column. Now then go to the filters tab to select your filters. For example, I want to filter by the plant. So it will be a user input value. Singles in the selection type, I select the single one. Multiple selection, it will be mandatory. And then you can save the draft and preview before publishing. Okay, enter the plant, click on go. And you can select the fields to add to the row or columns. So let's add, for example, the purchasing document, the material document, and the document number. So now you have the purchasing document, the PO, with the material document and the invoice documents. And that's how you can create a custom CDS view and a custom analytical query in SAP S/4HANA.
So that's how you can build a custom CDS view and a custom analytical query in SAP without relying on code or ABAPers to create your report. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video to support SAP Finance Lab. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. And maybe next time I'll ask for something even harder. Okay, I'm ready for this.